Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Shraddha's Physics. In this part we will see the hermeticity of the position operator and the momentum operator. Now let us first begin with the hermeticity of the position operator. For the normalized wave function psi of x, let me write for normalized wave function psi of x, the expectation value of expectation means just this, simply we can say the average value. Okay, the expectation value of x is, x means the position. Okay, expectation value of x is, we can write the expectation value of x equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite psi star x cap psi dx, that is in your one dimension. I am simply writing here dx. So here x average will be equal to, that is x expectation value equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite psi star x cap psi dx. Okay, so this can also be written as, that is equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite the psi star, and when this s cap will operate on the psi, that is always the operator will operate on the right side of that function, that is your, here the state is psi. So here s cap psi, you know, this is your x into psi and dx. Okay, and also this can be written as, that is equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite. Since x is real, let me write, since x is a real number, so real quantity, so we can write x equal to x star, that is the conjugate of this. So here we can write, in place of psi star x, I can write this is your x psi whole star into psi dx. Okay, or this also can be called as, this is equal to the expectation value of x star. Okay, you can see x psi whole star, it means this is your average of, or the expectation value of x star. Therefore we can say that, therefore x cap is real and Hermitian. This is your real and Hermitian. Okay, so in this way you can prove that, or you may calculate for the wave function psi of x, the expectation value of x equal to, this is your expectation value of x equal to expectation value of x star, that is here x cap is real and Hermitian in nature. So now let us see for the hermeticity of the momentum operator. So again we will consider the normalized wave function. So for the normalized wave function, for normalized wave function, here we will consider the wave function as psi of x. So for normalized wave function psi of x, the expectation value of, the expectation value of px is, that is the representation of this expectation value, that is simply I will write this is the average symbol of px, and it is equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite psi star px cap into psi dx. Okay, this is the simple representation of the expectation value. If the operator is your x, then here you have to write x. If here this is y, then you have to write y, and always you have to write psi star, the operator psi dx. Okay, so in this way you can represent the expectation value. And now you can write this is equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite. Here it is your psi star, and in place of p cap, I have already told you the linear momentum operator, this is your px cap, it is simply, this is your px cap, it is simply can be written as h cot by I dou by dou x, or this can be written as, if I will multiply I and divide I in the denominator and numerator, this will be simply minus h cot I into dou by dou x. Okay, in this way also you can write. Now if I will write here in place of px cap, if I will write, this is just simply h cut h bar. Okay, this is h bar or h cot by I into dou by dou x, and here the psi is present. So let me write dou psi by dou x whole into dx. Now to integrate this or to solve this integration, now we will apply the integration by parts, that is UV formula. So this will be equal to integration. Let me consider this h cot by I zero constant and taken outside. And so here the integration of psi star, that is this part is your u and this part is v. If you can remember the formula, let me write here again. That is this one is your u and this bracketed term is your v. So you know integration over ub dx, that is equal to u into integration v dx minus integration over dou u by dou x into integration v dx whole into dx. Okay, so this is our integration by parts formula. Now if you will apply that, so here your u is psi star, so let me write this is your psi star, and integration of this part, that is your h cot by I already taken common, so dou psi by dou x into dx, so simply dx get cancelled. Let me simply write just this is your dou psi by dou x into dx. Okay, this is your u into integration v dx. So now you can see this dx and dx get cancelled, simply the integration over d psi, and that is your psi. So here I will write this is simply psi minus integration over dou u by dou x. So here it is dou by dou x of psi star. Okay, and here the integration over v dx, v means dou psi by dou x. So again I will write suppose dou psi by dou x, and here the dx and here the dx. Again this dx get cancelled. The integration over dou psi, this is your d psi integration, will be psi. So in this place I will directly write this is your psi. This is psi. And here the dx is present, so I will write this is your dx. Okay, and here also the integration varies from minus infinite to infinite, and here also the minus infinite to plus infinite. So this is equal to, you can see the integration value, that is within from the limit minus infinite to plus infinite, psi star psi, this value goes to 0. This value goes to 0. So simply I will write this is your minus h cot by I into integration over minus infinite to plus infinite dou psi star by dou x into psi dx. And again we can write, again this is equal to integration from minus infinite to plus infinite h cot by I into dou psi by dou x whole star into psi dx we can write. Since this h cot by I is your constant and here minus sign is present, so conjugate of this, you know the I conjugate will be minus I and minus I conjugate will be plus I. So in place of minus I can simply write I, that is your I conjugate. Okay, so this will be again equal to, I can write for this is equal to h cot by I dou by dou x, you know this h cot by I dou by dou x is your px cap. So in this place you can write, in place of h cot by I dou by dou x, I can write this is your p cap x. Let me write minus infinite to plus infinite integration, this is your px cap psi whole star into psi dx. Okay, and again this is equal to px cap average or the expectation average expectation whole star. Okay, because this is your px cap psi whole star, so in place of that I can write this is your px cap conjugate. Therefore here we have proved that, you can see here we have proved that this px will be equal to px cap star. This is your also px cap, so this px cap average will be equal to px cap average star. Hence we can say that this px cap is Hermitian in nature. Therefore px cap is Hermitian. Px cap is Hermitian. So in this way you can prove that the Hermiticity of the position operator and also the Hermiticity of the momentum operator. Now we will see some important facts, that is The hermiticity, this is your NB, let me write this is your NB. Okay. Hermiticity is a property, hermiticity is a property, it is a property of the operator, hermiticity is a property of the operator, the wave function, and the region of integration, and the region of integration. So finally we can write that is a certain operator, that is a certain operator is Hermitian for a given for a given wave function, for a given wave function, in a given region of hermiticity, So this is the conclusion of hermiticity. Okay, so that is the hermiticity, it is the property of the operator, and it is the property of the wave function, and also it is the property of the region of the integration. That is, a certain operator is said to be Hermitian for a given wave function in a given region of, and it is called the hermiticity. So this is all for today. If you have any doubt, can ask me in the comment section. Thank you all.